Hello friends. Today, we will thoroughly review the 2024 Rivian R1S model. But first, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to not miss similar content. Also, click the bell icon to stay informed about new videos. Enjoy your watching. Rivian R1S positioning. Ranked at number 2, the 2024 Rivian R1S achieves its standing within the luxury electric SUVs segment. Presently, the Rivian R1S holds a rating of 8.2 out of 10, derived from our analysis of 26 research components and data factors gathered from diverse sources. Professional evaluation. We determine our assessment through comprehensive exploration and examination of reviews on the Rivian R1S, coupled with concrete data metrics addressing the R1S safety, dependability, fuel efficiency, and cargo space. This evaluation undergoes constant revisions, incorporating the most recent information obtained from our ongoing research and diverse data outlets. Drive and performance achieves a rating of 8.6 out of 10. While on the road, the Rivian R1S displays admirable maneuverability with minimal body sway. Despite its considerable size, it exhibits agility in confined spaces. The anti-roll system and air suspension effectively reduce undesired body movements, contributing to a sensation of stability and security. The brakes demonstrate robust performance without undue sensitivity. However, the steering necessitates frequent adjustments during highway driving, which may be unsettling. Despite the air suspension, the R1S provides a somewhat uneven ride on irregular surfaces, especially noticeable for occupants in the rear seats. The 2024 R1S presents 3 powertrain alternatives and 3 battery selections, all deserving commendation for their prompt off-the-line acceleration and consistent power delivery. The base dual-motor AWD is fitted with 2 electric motors generating 533 horsepower and 610 pound-feet of torque. The quad-motor R1S boasts 835 horsepower and 908 pound-feet of torque. The latest addition to the drivetrains is the performance version of the dual-motor, delivering 665 horsepower and 829 pound-feet of torque with a 0 to 60 time of 3.5 seconds. All configurations feature all-wheel drive and a single-speed automatic transmission, allowing the R1S to tow up to 7,700 pounds when properly equipped. The R1S also proves its capability as an off-roader. Its adaptable air suspension provides an impressive 14.9 inches of ground clearance, complemented by a 35-degree steep approach angle, a 29-degree breakover angle, and a 34-degree departure angle. With standard all-wheel drive and versatile drive modes, the R1S is well prepared to conquer challenging terrains, with the ability to wade through up to 3 feet of water. Don't forget to subscribe. Fuel efficiency is scored at 6.8 out of 10. Equipped with the quad-motor powertrain and 20-inch wheels, the R1S achieves an EPA estimated 65 mpg equivalent in urban settings and 60 mpg on the open road. At the time of writing, the EPA has not disclosed mpg figures for the other R1S powertrain options. Rivian claims that the 2024 R1S, with the standard battery pack, can cover a maximum distance of 260 miles. Dual-motor variants featuring the large battery boast a remarkable maximum range of 352 miles, while the max battery pack extends the range to around 400 miles. The quad-motor R1S is officially rated for a range of 321 miles. The R1S comes equipped with an onboard charger capable of delivering 115 kilowatts of power. Rivian suggests that R1S models with the large battery require approximately 13 hours to attain a full charge using a 240-volt station, translating to a gain of 16 to 25 miles of range for each charging hour. Alternatively, a DC fast charging station can add up to 140 miles of range in approximately 20 minutes. Interior receives a rating of 7.6 out of 10. The 2024 R1S cabin emanates an elegant and modern ambience, featuring premium sustainable elements such as repurposed wood and synthetic leather. A rarity among electric SUVs, the R1S boasts 3 rows, accommodating up to 7 individuals. The seats, all luxuriously comfortable, offer excellent support. The front row seats, strategically elevated, ensure optimal forward visibility. Ample head and legroom characterize the first and second rows, with the panoramic sunroof enhancing the overall spaciousness. However, the third row, albeit snug and challenging for ingress and egress, is better suited for younger occupants. Totaling approximately 105 cubic feet, the R1S provides exceptional cargo space for the luxury electric SUV class. Behind the third row, there's 17.6 cubic feet, expanding to 46.7 cubic feet with the third row folded, and an impressive 88.2 cubic feet with both rear rows down. The front trunk, or frunk, adds an extra 11 cubic feet, complemented by a concealed cargo area offering 5 cubes beneath the rear cargo floor. Facilitating loading and unloading, the R1S can be lowered using its air suspension, and a standard power lift gate enhances convenience. Subscribe now, hit the notification bell, and be ready to embark on a visual adventure. Value. The 2024 Rivian R1S receives a below-average rating concerning its value within the luxury electric SUV class. Our assessment of value considers the estimated total cost of ownership, taking into account the vehicle's MSRP for both its base and top trims. Security attains a rating of 9.2 out of 10. Bestowed with a Top Safety Pick Plus designation by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, the 2024 R1S boasts an extensive array of standard safety features. These include pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, driver attention monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Additionally, the R1S features a partially automated driving system designed for use on designated highways. Facilitating the installation of child safety seats, the R1S is equipped with 4 complete sets of latch connectors, with 2 sets each for the second and third row seats. Furthermore, there is a tie-down anchor for the second row middle seat. The latch system received a top rating for ease of use from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Quality and reliability. As of now, the 2024 Rivian R1S lacks a predicted reliability score. Critics' rating stands at 9.5 out of 10. The 2024 Rivian R1S garners highly favorable critics' ratings within its class. Derived from our qualitative investigation, this rating encapsulates the general sentiment and extent of endorsement bestowed upon the vehicle by the automotive press. Pricing. What's the cost of a 2024 Rivian R1S? Commencing at $78,000, the base 2024 Rivian R1S Adventure, equipped with the dual-motor powertrain and standard battery, falls within the average range for luxury electric SUVs. Opting for additional battery capacity or selecting the performance dual-motor or quad-motor models significantly increases the overall cost. For the R1S quad-motor AWD trim with the large battery pack, the starting price is $92,000. Which Rivian R1S model offers the best value? While the R1S Adventure dual-motor AWD stands as the most economical R1S model, it boasts the same features found in the pricier performance dual-motor and quad-motor versions. We believe this is the optimal choice for the majority of prospective buyers. Subscribe and follow us. Expert evaluation. Currently, the choices are limited for those in the market for a 3-row electric SUV, but I believe the 2024 Rivian R1S rises to the forefront of that admittedly brief selection. I leased an R1S Adventure through Turo for this assessment, and I was genuinely impressed by the electric vehicle's remarkably swift acceleration, refined handling, and serene interior. Priced at $95,250 in its as-tested configuration, it may not be a budget-friendly option, yet I would still endorse the R1S over its 3-row counterparts. It exudes a superior build quality compared to the Tesla Model X, and its third row provides considerably more comfort than the snug rear seat of the Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV. What appeals to us? The Rivian R1S gives the impression of being meticulously designed as a 7-passenger SUV, setting it apart from competitors that seem more like two-row models adapted into three. Throughout my test drive, I relished ample head and legroom in the initial two rows. I stand at 6 feet 2 inches, and with a slight adjustment, sliding the middle seats forward by an inch or two, the third row provided a surprisingly comfortable space. Cargo capacity is similarly abundant. While opinions on style can vary, I personally found the R1S cabin to possess an appealing and adequately luxurious aesthetic, notwithstanding the presence of more hard plastic surfaces than one might anticipate in this price range. The environment is remarkably tranquil, and the infotainment system functions effectively, although the addition of some physical controls could enhance its usability. Aspects of concern. The aspects of the R1S that give me pause primarily revolve around its pricing and ride comfort. Priced at around $78,000 and beyond, the R1S stands significantly more expensive than the typical three-row SUV, and the addition of a couple of options can elevate the cost to 6 digits. Additionally, I observed an unusually firm ride quality for a family-oriented SUV. Even with the air suspension set to its softest configuration, the R1S tends to experience vibrations and jolts on uneven road surfaces, although this may be mitigated by carrying a substantial number of passengers or cargo. Interestingly, I found the Rivian R1T pickup truck to offer a more comfortable ride. It's worth noting that the R1S infotainment system lacks support for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. However, I didn't feel their absence keenly due to the effectiveness of Rivian's excellent navigation system. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to support me. Driving experience. Beyond its somewhat rugged ride, the Rivian R1S proves to be an overall delightful companion for road trips. The model under my scrutiny featured the brand's quad-motor all-wheel drive system and large battery, delivering an impressive 835 horsepower and an EPA estimated range of 321 miles. Throughout my drive, I encountered no apprehension about range, and when the battery level did decrease, a swift charge at an Electrify America station took the R1S from 65% to 90% in just 30 minutes. The theme of swiftness remains consistent with the R1S. It accelerates vigorously, reaching highway speeds ahead of most SUVs shifting into second gear. The handling is commendable, characterized by controlled body movements, responsive steering, and a seamlessly integrated regenerative braking system. Although maneuvering a SUV of this size can be cumbersome in parking situations, the high-definition clarity of the surround view camera system simplifies navigating the R1S in confined spaces. Is the 2024 Rivian R1S a worthy SUV? Absolutely, the 2024 R1S stands as a superb SUV. Beyond accommodating 7 occupants, a rarity among electric SUVs, it presents an exquisitely designed interior with a contemporary upscale aesthetic. Notably, the R1S surprises with its robust capabilities in all-terrain settings. However, certain drawbacks include its ride quality and somewhat lackluster steering. The infotainment system may disappoint some due to the absence of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. For those seeking a practical, potent, and luxurious electric SUV with off-road prowess, the R1S proves to be an excellent choice. Yet, if a greater range, swifter acceleration, and enhanced efficiency are priorities, the Tesla Model X remains a solid option, despite its mixed interior quality and higher starting price. Those willing to trade a bit of performance for a more lavish interior should consider test driving the Mercedes-Benz EQS. If drawn to the R1S but desiring a pickup, the outstanding Rivian R1T is worth exploring. Another intriguing alternative is the BMW iX, provided you can manage with 5 seats. 2023 versus 2024 Rivian R1S, what sets them apart? For 2024, Rivian introduces the performance dual-motor variant of the R1S, bridging the gap between the base dual-motor AWD and the high-powered 835 horsepower quad-motor model. Boasting 665 horsepower and 829 pound-feet of peak torque, this new model offers a range of 352 miles with the large battery pack, extending to over 400 miles with the max pack. The R1S, initially launched as an entirely new EV in 2022, continues to evolve with these enhancements. Don't forget to subscribe.